At the time of reconstitution of partnership firm, we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice and gain made by the partners. So today we will solve some examples of calculation of new profit sharing ratio, sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. This is the first example. Ram, Sham and Deepak are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:2:1. From 1st April 2017, they agreed to share profits and losses equally. Calculate sacrifice and gain of partners. The old ratio of the partners is 7:2:1. So, old ratio 7:2:1 between Ram, Sham and Deepak. That is 7/10, 2/10 and 1/10. Addition of these three values, that will be the denominator. Then we will write down the new ratio which is equal, so it is 1:1:1, that is 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. Now we have to calculate sacrifice or gain of the partners. Therefore we have to calculate the difference, and difference is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. So first we will calculate for Ram. In case of Ram, Ram's old ratio is 7/10 minus his new ratio is 1/3. Therefore is equal to 7 3s are 21 minus 10 into 1 10 divided by multiplication of denominators, that is 30. So it will be 11/30. As it is a positive amount, it will be sacrifice. Then in case of Sham, his old ratio is 2/10. So 2/10 minus his new ratio is 1/3. Therefore 3 into 2 6 minus 10 into 1 10 divided by 10 into 3, that is 30. So is equal to, it is minus 4/30. As the amount is negative, that is gain of Sham. Now we will calculate Deepak's sacrifice or gain. In case of Deepak, his old ratio is 1/10 and new ratio is 1/3. Therefore 3 into 1 3 minus 10 into 1 10 divided by 10 into 3, that is 30. So the answer will be minus 7/30. Again it is negative, so it will be gain. So first partner, that is Ram's sacrifice, is 11/30 and Sham and Deepak's gain will be 4/30 and 7/30. Two partners are gaining and one partner is sacrificing in this example. Now we will calculate, we will solve some another problem. Here it is. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. Their old ratio is equal, that is 1:1:1. C will get 1/5 share in profit. In future, they have decided that the third partner will get 1/5 share in profit. Calculate new PSR, that is new profit sharing ratio, sacrifice or gain of the partners. So now we will start. Let profit of the firm, we will assume profit of the firm is equal to 1 and share given to C is equal to 1/5. Therefore remaining profit or remaining share, or you can call it as remaining ratio, is equal to 1 minus given to new partner, that is 1/5, given to third partner, that is 1/5. So answer will be 4/5. So remaining profit will be 4/5 after giving 1/5 share to C. Now we will calculate new ratio, and the formula is new ratio is equal to remaining profit into old ratio. So first we will calculate for A, partner A. New ratio is equal to remaining profit into old ratio. Remaining profit is 4/5 into old ratio. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So old ratio was equal, that is we have to calculate 1/2, that is equal ratio. A and B equal ratio is 1/2 and 1/2. So for A, 4/5 into 1/2, which will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will be 2/5. Then we will calculate for B. Ratio between A and B was equal, so it will also be 1/2 old ratio. So 4/5 into 1/2, which will again 2/5. Now we will write down the new ratio. New ratio of partners is equal to 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. This will be the new ratio between the partners, and their old ratio between three partners. Old ratio 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. As the old ratio was 1:1:1, it will be 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. Now we will calculate the difference. Difference is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Therefore, for A, old ratio 1/3 minus new ratio 2/5 is equal to 5 1s are 5 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 3s are 15 is equal to minus 1/15. As it is negative, it will be gain of Mr. A. Then we will calculate for B. Old ratio 1/3 minus new ratio 2/5. Again it will be minus 1/15, that is gain of Mr. B. And in case of C, old ratio 1/3 minus new ratio 1/5 is equal to 5 1s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 5 3s are 15, which will be 2/15, which is positive amount that will be sacrifice of Mr. C. C's sacrifice is equal to addition of A and B's gain. You can see here. Okay. Then we will calculate third example. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. As per new agreement, C acquires 1/6 share from A. Compute new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice and gain of the partners. First we will write down old share. Old share A, B and C. So A, B and C, old share is 3:2:1, that is 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Now new ratio. Here they told us that as per the new agreement, C acquires 1/6 share from A. So C acquires 1/6 share from A. Means C is getting additional share of 1/6 from A. So A's share will reduce and C's share will increase. Therefore, A's sacrifice is equal to his old share 3 upon 6 minus he is giving 1/6 to A. So 1/6 to C. So it will be 2 upon 6. A's sacrifice 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 we can write. A's sacrifice 1 upon 6. So 3 upon 6 is old share minus 1/6. So new share will be, new share is equal to 2 upon 6. Now B's share, B's new share will remain as it is, as he is not giving anything and he is not getting anything. Now C's new share is equal to, C's old share is 1 upon 6 plus he is getting 1 upon 6 from A. So plus 1 upon 6. So his new share will be 2 upon 6. Therefore, new share of partners will be, A's new share will be 2 upon 6. B's new share will remain as it is, that is 2 upon 6. And C's new share will be 2 upon 6. So it will be 2 upon 6, that is 2 is to 2 is to 2, that is equal share. 1 is to 1 is to 1. In this problem, here A's sacrifice is equal to 1 upon 6 and C's gain is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay. Then next problem. Now in this problem I have discussed many cases. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Calculate new PSR, sacrifice ratio and gain ratio in each of the following cases. 4 cases are given. We have to solve all the cases one by one. First, we will write down old ratio of the partners. So X, Y and Z are partners and old ratio is 5:3:2. So 5:3:2, that is 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. Now we will discuss case first. Here they have given us if Z acquires 1/5 share from X. So if Z acquires 1/5 share from X, this is the first case. Now we have to calculate. As Z is acquiring 1/5 share from X, new share of X is equal to his old share minus his sacrifice for Z, for Z. Therefore, old share of X is 5 upon 10 minus he is sacrificing 1/5 share for Z, so minus 1/5 is equal to 5 5s are minus 10 1s are 10 divided by 50 is equal to 15 divided by 50, that is 3 upon 10. So new share of X will be 3 upon 10. Now we will calculate Y's share. Y's new share is equal to, as it is, as only X is giving 1/5, his 1/5 share to Z, so Y's new share will be as it is, that is, it will be the old one, which is 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10. So X's new share 3 upon 10 and Y's share will remain as it is, which will be 3 upon 10. Now Z's new share is equal to his old share plus his gain. Therefore Z's old share 2 upon 10 plus his gain is 1 upon 5, that is 1/5. Therefore 2 upon 10 plus here 1 upon 5 means 2 upon 10, so it will be 2 upon 10, and 4 upon 10 addition will be 4 upon 10. So Z's new share will be 4 upon 10. Therefore new profit sharing ratio will be 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 4 upon 10, that is 3:3:4. This is the new profit sharing ratio. In this problem, partner X's sacrifice is equal to 1 upon 5 and Z's gain is equal to 1 upon 5. There will not be any change in Y's share because he is not giving anything to Z. This is the case first. Then we will calculate case second. Case second. Case second. Case second is if Z acquires 1/5 share equally from X and Y. In this case, Z acquires 1/5 share equally from X and Y. Z acquires 1/5 share equally from X and Y. Okay, this is the second condition. So now we will discuss the second condition. We all know that old ratio of X, Y and Z is 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. And now Z acquires 1/5 share equally from X and Y. So as Z is acquiring 1/5 share equally from X and Y, sacrifice of X will be, as he is acquiring 1/5, 1/2 of 1/5, sacrifice of x will be 1/2 of 1/5, because x is giving half share and y is giving half. They are giving equal shares. So 1/2 of 1/5, sacrifice of x will be 1/2 of 1/5, that is 1/10, and sacrifice of y is equal to 1/5 into 1/2, that is 1/2 of 1/5 is equal to 1/10. So he is getting 1/10 from x and 1/10 from y. Now we will calculate new share. For x, old share, new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. So for x, old share is 5/10 minus his sacrifice is 1/10, that goes to 4/10. Now in case of y, his old share 3/10 minus his sacrifice also is 1/10, so 2/10. And for z, for calculating z share, we have to add into old share his gain from x and gain from y. Therefore his old share 2/10 plus he is getting 1/10 from x and getting 1/10 from y, so his new share will be 4/10. Therefore new share of three partners will be 4/10, 2/10 and 4/10. 4/10, 2/10 and 4/10, that is 4:2:4, that is we can divide by 2, so their new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1:2. Okay.